Let's work out this question involving Pythagoras' theorem on trigonometric ratios. So part 1. As you can see, we have a triangle inside another triangle. It looks like that. And we have to notice a 90-degree angle here, which means this is a right angle triangle. We are asked to work out the length of AB. That is located right here with the blue arrow from A to B. And let us recognize this right angle triangle in blue, and let us remember immediately that Pythagoras' theorem applies to this right angle triangle. So the square and the hypotenuse, 14.8 squared, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So 11.2 squared plus x squared. Let us call this long side here from A to C, let us call it x, an unknown. So let's go ahead in our calculator and work this out. 14.8 squared we have 219.04. Let's work out 11.2 squared now. $125.44 plus x squared. We have to subtract 125.44 from both sides of the equation. So we get 219.04 subtract 125.44 is equal to x squared. 219.04 minus 125.44 93.6. So we have 93.6 is equal to x squared. We want to find x. Let us find the square root of both sides. So x is equal to square root of 93.6. Let's go in our calculator and get that. 9.6747. Let's round it off to one decimal place. So x will be 9.7 centimeters. What does that mean? It means the length from A to C, this length is 9.7 centimeters. From here to here is 9.7 centimeters. And we only want to find this distance, AB. So we have to subtract 6 from 9.7. AB is therefore 9.7, take away 6, which is 3.7 centimeters. So the distance from here to here, from A to B, is 3.7 centimeters. Let us move on to part 2. Angle ACD. Let us locate the angle moving from A to C to D. The angle is located here where the middle letter is. C is in the middle. That's where the angle is located. We can use our trigonometric ratios, sine, cosine, and tangent. We have all three sides of our right angle triangle. Let's use sine. So sine of C will be opposite over hypotenuse, which is 11.2 over 14.8. We go to our calculators again. 11.2 divided by 14.8. 0.77 to 3 decimal places. Let us use 3 decimal places. 757, 0.757. Remember to use 3 decimal places when finding trigonometric ratios. We want to find out angle C, so that is equal to the sine inverse of 0.757. Let's go ahead and work out that with our calculator, scientific calculator. 0.757 sine inverse 49.2 degrees to 1 decimal place. The answer is 49.2 degrees. So this is our angle, our required angle of ACB. So therefore this angle here is 49.2 degrees. And that is our answer. So thanks for watching and all the best to you.